To delete your AvaTrade account, follow these steps. Contact AvaTrade support. AvaTrade does not have a direct option to delete your account through the platform. To close your account, you must contact AvaTrade's customer support team. You can reach them through live chat on their website, via email or by phone. Provide necessary information. When contacting support, be sure to provide your account details to verify your identity. Clearly mention that you want to close or delete your AvaTrade account. Ensure your account is settled. Before closing your account, make sure that any open positions are closed and your account balance is zero. If you have any outstanding funds, you need to withdraw them first. AvaTrade typically requires that all trades and funds be settled before processing the closure. Request confirmation. Once the support team processes your request, ask for confirmation of the account closure. They will confirm via email once the account is closed successfully. Follow up if needed. If you don't receive a response within a few business days, follow up with AvaTrade support to ensure your account has been permanently deleted.